Hi guys, welcome to Tayentan Travel and Fun. Dito na naman yung lingkod at maghahanap naman kami ng masasarap na pagkain. Dito guys, papunta kami sa isang place ng actually may iba naman kami, so pan dessert naman ang hanapin namin. Pumunta kami sa Como Gelatin Ice Cream House.
Oh, Auntie!
Yes. Be quiet, Tantan. See, we go to ice cream house.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami at sulitin natin itong araw na to. Good?
Very nice, Auntie.
Nice ice cream? Yeah, see, they're good. Hi guys, welcome to Como Ice Cream Gelatin House. So guys, ito naka-order na kami na aming ordering. Actually guys, parang ice cream siya, parang jello na pinaghalo-halo with fruits. Kaya masasarapan ka. Masarap ang lasa, napakasarap. Sa affordable naman yung price at hindi naman sila mataas. Is may mabibili kang 10, 15, and 35. So kung mas marami, mas okay. Guys, hindi kami pumunta dito ng rush hour. Kaya ayaw namin na maraming tao. Maraming tao dito pag gabi. Kasi pansin ko pag dumadaan ako dito, maraming tao sa gabi. Kaya sa tanghali kami pumunta. Pagkatapos namin kumain, so pinuntahan namin siya. Tara guys, tikman natin ang pinagmamalaki ng Cosmo Gelatin House.
Yeah, we pay there. We eat here, no problem. You go there, Papa. We eat there. You cannot finish that one all. See?
So guys, umorder kami ng caramel and cookies and cream. Dalawang flavor yung pinaghalo. Napakasarap niya guys. At hindi kayo magsisisi. At hindi siya gaano sweet. Para siyang ice cream pero less in sugar. Napakasarap siya pag natikman nyo. Tara guys, bisitahin nyo ang Cosmo Gelatin Ice Cream House.
Big TV there, no?
So guys, eto na our vlog today. Pauwi na kami. Ayan. Solved na yung dalawa. Uuwi na kami. See you guys. Thank you for watching.
Ayos ko na. Bye-bye daw. Alright. Oh, so much music na.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized.
Ganda pa man.
What's up is down, what's left is right.
No.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.